Here's a simple gospel song I've written for you. I am healed. He found me with His love